Hi, this is a demonstration, Erin, to show you how to clean the toilet using this new toilet cleaning system. So you will get 4 parts. The handle, this attaches to the holder, and then these are the cleaners. So I'm gonna first attach the holder to the container. So you'll see that there are 3 parts here on this. Slide it up and then pop in a piece, and then this just goes in there. You can put it in your bathroom or you can put it in your closet. The next thing you do is you open the top, you open these up, you put the bag in here, and that is your supply. You take this out, you stick it in here, push down, and you have your toilet bowl cleaner. Then it's time to clean the toilet. Okay, so what you do is you flush the toilet first to wet the bowl. You lift up the rim, and this part is going to be also very dirty and around here. But with this, you dip it in here, you get it wet, and you start to clean the inside of the bowl. And you don't have to use your hands at all. It's not disgusting at all. And then for your toilet, for mine, I'm gonna just use a wet wipe and clean around here and around here. But because yours is somewhat disgusting, you can just take this and just clean the whole thing. The only issue is that you might get a blue residue around there, but at least it'll be clean. And then you just take a wet paper towel and you wipe it all down and it'll be like brand new. Now for yours, I'm not gonna pat mine off because I've already cleaned my toilets. So I'm gonna just put the lid down and let it dry. But that blue button here, just pop that over the garbage can and that cleaning top is gone and you can throw it away, and then next time start with a new one. Okay? Bye.